In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool for communication within teams, enabling seamless collaboration through organized channels. Creating a channel is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through every step to ensure you feel confident setting one up. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Slack workspace where you wish to create this new channel. Simply log into your Slack account and select the appropriate workspace from the sidebar on the left. Once you're in the right workspace, look for the Create New button. This is usually located near the top of your sidebar, within the sections dedicated to channels and direct messages. Next, after clicking on Create New, you'll see an option for creating a channel. Click on the Channel option. This selection will take you to a new page or window depending on how you are accessing Slack, whether it's in a browser or the app. This page is where you'll begin customizing your channel. Now, you'll see a button labeled Next. Go ahead and click on that. This step will guide you to the channel settings where you can provide additional details about your new channel. At this stage, it's time to give your channel a name. It's important to choose a name that's intuitive and indicates the purpose of the channel, as this will help team members identify the right place to share information and communicate. Following the naming step, you will be prompted to select the channel's visibility. This is a crucial decision as it determines who can access this channel. You can toggle between making the channel public, meaning everyone in the workspace can join and view it, or keeping it private, which restricts access to only those who are invited. Consider the privacy needs of the information that will be shared when making this decision. Finally, once you have double-checked your settings and are satisfied with both the name and the visibility options, you will see a Create button. Click this button to finalize the creation of your channel. Once your channel is created, you can start adding members and customizing it with integrations, which Slack supports extensively to enhance productivity. That's it. You have successfully created a channel in Slack, and you're now ready to use it as a hub for communication and collaboration within your team. Channels are a great way to organize discussions around specific projects, topics, or departments. So be sure to take advantage of naming conventions and channel descriptions to keep everything tidy and easy to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy slacking.